Hello, hello. How's it going today? So, my friend Quentin has a community here in school called AI Automation Guild, and he released this open source Redar or Reddit Intelligence Agent. And it's open source. I'll share the link that you guys could find it. Now, this is really neat, so I wanted to share it with you. Here, start.sh. Okay, start that puppy up. But yeah, anyways, I did make a slight adjustment where you could use OpenAI if you want, but it's really the magic is that you can do this using your local AI. And I tested it with a model, Qwen 2.5, and it still did an amazing job. And Qwen is very lightweight. You can run it on a lot of, I think pretty much any modern computer that has a GPU can run it. And it's quite clutch. What we'll do is we'll jump here, fast forward so you can see the results. But right now it's going to be scraping Reddit for the focus area, which happens to be voice AI, for opportunities. And you could specify whether it's opportunity you want to like get jobs in the SaaS or maybe looking for employment, whatever. You could fine tune it for different opportunities. And actually, before we do that, let me show you an example of what we're talking about right here. Right, so you could set up what kind of AI you're going to use, right? For example, he used a GLM 4.7 Flash, which is actually a very powerful free model. I used Qwen 2.5, which still did an amazing job, did an excellent job. I was very impressed. So in this part of the YAML file, YAML file, the configuration file, there's different focus areas that you can set up, and it's built into it. Like from the repo, it has SaaS opportunities built in, right? So if you want to build a SaaS, is a great way to do some research, right? It's based on keywords, subreddits, right? The keywords, I wish there was, looking for a tool, etc. And you got dev tools, right? There's another one. And I want to make one for voice AI, so I made my own custom one. Is it here or did I put it somewhere else? It's in mine right here. So what I could do is I could share that with you guys too, the custom one I did for voice AI. Okay, and we're back, and you can see it finished the scraping job. It looks like I put 13 subreddits. That wasn't smart. But anyways, you can see where it got hit with rate limits, and you could change the values for rate limits if you want. You see, it went through 13, got stuck here, and finished finally. Then it did analysis. It divides it by batches of 50 each. And then it creates these reports in JSON file, these JSON files. All right, gives you a nice summary. All right, but the cool thing is Quentin also created a front end, like a little dashboard. You see the reports that we generated, the amount of opportunities were found based on the parameters you set up, pain points individuals are experiencing. You could create content around the pain points, for example, or build solutions around pain points. How many posts were analyzed? You see the status of your LM. Click View Details. You can see what it did. Pretty cool, right? It's really cool. Like I really like what you built here. Very helpful. For example, so conversational AI is what we just investigated. And it gives you basically a summary of what was found, the details. It shows a shift, demand for turnkey integrations, right? Audiobook conversion, boom. That sounds like a good one, right? Obviously, Home Assistant voice agent is very popular right now. Let's see here. Maybe there's other opportunities, and this is just an example. Look at this. Now it goes into the opportunities. Domain specifies SEI for clipping nosy audios, and etc. Right? It's a really cool, like, good way to create content this way. So yeah, he has this open source for now. You can see the model we used. It was open source, available right here. I'll share the link, and he has an awesome community over here, AI Automations Guild. I'll send those details. You should check it out. But yeah, anyways, check it out. Please join us in our free community too, AI with Apex free community. Come and join us. We also have premium content and other goodies, so reap the benefits. Take care. Bye.